So once you're inside the workspace, you actually have a bunch of tabs here. Media is all the files in that particular workspace. Library gives you a bunch of predefined shortcuts and content you can use already, like icons, maps, etc. For example, if I go into the library files, I can go into links, I can open up your Google map right here. So there's a Google map shortcut of a metro area. I have the ability to go right in there, zoom in, zoom out, pan around. So here's the trick. You long press to pick up the document, then you can move. If you do not long press, you're moving inside the document. So that's the trick. Same thing. Long press, you're zooming the entire thing. If I do not long press, you're zooming inside the document. So that's inside unpinning versus pinning. What this does is this unpins the document. Just remember that. That takes a little bit of practice. Now, this is using the ShadowSense touchscreen, so we have full Windows Ink with Microsoft Pen protocol. That means that you can use your finger, pick up the pen, you can write. Now, it does come with an eraser, so I can erase using that. With respect to, if you do misplace these, it's very easy. You can actually tap on the document, toolbar will pop up. If you click the pen icon, I can write with my finger. If I click the eraser icon, I can erase. So this is something that is beneficial, but you have to remember something. It's easy to forget that, and suddenly I think I'm panning, I'm not. So it does make a lot more sense to go ahead and use the actual devices as they are.